Welcome back to the channel, guys. To the yard, whichever. Trying something here today to see if we can get some of the stress off of here. See, y'all don't see how close that is. They probably have a gap here. Probably be a gap here. There's no gap there. It's really on it. See how I can't even remove this cover because it's so pushing up on it. See, pushing up on it. This is pushing up. So I know the frame is bent somewhere in this area. Somewhere in this area. I'm gonna think somewhere in here. That's what I'm thinking, in this area. So I'm gonna try something today. Doubt it gonna fix it, but I'm gonna try it. And I'm gonna take you guys along with me, okay? So let's see how we're gonna do this, okay? Sit this on the ground. Y'all see the wood there, right? Y'all see that? That's 4x6. That's a 4x6 stud. 4x6 little pieces under there on both sides. So let's see. Hopefully the weight won't break my 4x6, but if it does, we got another one right there to stack it on top of each other to make it a 6x6. So let's see. This should slide up under here easily. Should slide up under here with no problem. Okay, come on. Go down. We don't need you up. Why is that thing staying? Why is this thing? Got it all the way turned. That ain't something. That ain't one thing, it's another. My jack starting to get old. This right here, I'm locking it now, so no, that ain't the way to do it. Tell me my jack ain't just broke on me, guys. Oh no. It didn't. It just acting stupid right now. Oh Lord, I need for you to get flat. Man. That is how we want it. But now I gotta shimmy under there and get it on there. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, my stuff has to be so rough. Okay. And you got the weight on it, it's still pushing up. Yo, when you try to do stuff on camera, I'm telling you, never works out. Trying to show something on camera never works. Okay. Let me jack this thing up a little bit more. Man. So I can slide something underneath. the bottom piece. So I can have more room. Okay. So it can give me a little bit more height. Height. I think that's good. Let's see. Hopefully. It's not enough. Okay, let's see. Lord. Oh my God. Why is that even up? We're gonna have to try to do it this way. I can't. We're gonna have to try to do it that way. Let me go get my other small jackhammer. Okay. Okay, let's see if we can get this thing to. Okay. Some more. Okay. This ain't working out the way I expected. Never do. Nothing ever works out the way you want it to. I just made it worse. this, I'm telling you, this is a nightmare. You know what? Let's do it the other way. Let's just sit the jack on top of the board. We can't do it. Can't do it that way. Okay. Automatically go down. You got to let me on this, you go down. Oh, Lord. Ah, man. To do. Keep working on it. Tried to do that, but that ain't gonna work. See, if this will work. Let's see if that. See why people don't do live videos. This is why. This is why people don't do live videos. Of course I'm not live, but you know. Almost got it. Oh God. Man, I tell you. Even though guys, this is about to be the end of the video by me doing absolutely nothing. I don't even know if I'm gonna post this. Like, comment, share, subscribe. We'll see you when I get this thing right. See you in the yard. Peace.